In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the Object Selection tool in Photoshop 2025 Beta, one of the smartest tools for selecting people, objects, and subjects in just one click. In this version, Adobe has upgraded the tool with improved AI detection, better edge refinement, and faster processing, making selections more accurate than ever. When I open an image in Photoshop and select the Object Selection tool, Photoshop automatically detects the objects in the image. As I hover over the photo, Photoshop highlights the potential objects with a pink overlay, showing me exactly what it can select. Now, when I click on Select People, it analyzes the image and displays thumbnails of all detected people. As I hover over a thumbnail, it highlights that person in the image. When I click on her thumbnail, Photoshop shows several detailed options, such as hair, eyebrows, lips, mouth, teeth, and facial skin. If I choose facial skin and click Apply, Photoshop automatically selects only the skin area with incredible precision. Let's deselect this selection. Now, when I hover over the image again, Photoshop intelligently highlights whichever part I move the cursor over. And when I click, it instantly selects that specific area. So, with the help of this tool, you can quickly and accurately select different human parts like the face, hair, or even clothing, all with just a few clicks. Let me show you one more example. In this image, there are 3 women. When I click on Select People, Photoshop displays 3 thumbnails, one for each person. As I hover over a thumbnail, it highlights the corresponding person in the image. When I click on a thumbnail, it again shows all the selectable body parts for that individual. This makes it incredibly easy to select specific parts of different people in just seconds, saving time and giving you full control over your edits. And that's how you use the Object Selection tool in Photoshop 2025 Beta.